Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a free Cloudflare account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Cloudflare website, especially if you are starting from scratch and do not already have the link saved. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type Cloudflare. Then run the search. You should see several results related to Cloudflare's services, products, and main website. From the search results, click on Cloudflare. This will take you toward the company's official web presence. On the results page, look for the listing that says Cloudflare. Build for the agent era and click that result. It is important to use the official site so you can safely create your account in the right place. After the Cloudflare homepage opens, look to the top right corner of the page and click Login. Even though you are creating a new account, this is the correct path because the login page also includes the option to register. On the login page, click Sign Up. This will open the account creation form where you can start setting up your free Cloudflare account. At this stage, enter your login details in the sign up form. Typically, this means providing your email address and creating a password for the account. As you fill this out, make sure you use an email address you can access easily, since account-related messages or verification steps may be sent there. It is also a good idea to choose a strong password that is unique and secure. If you prefer, there is another option here. Instead of manually entering your details, you can click Continue with Google. If you choose that route, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the sign-up process. This can be faster and more convenient if you want to use an existing Google account. As you move through the sign-up process, read each screen carefully and complete any prompts that appear. The exact wording on the page may change slightly over time, but the overall flow should remain very similar. Once you finish either the manual sign-up form or the Google sign-in option, your Cloudflare account setup will be underway. From there, you can continue with any additional account steps shown on your screen. That's it. You have now seen how to start creating a free Cloudflare account in a simple and straightforward way.